Priyanshu, and let's create a vision board with me. So, we'll start off with basically, getting to know that how do you want to like go into it. Basically, one way is that you write down the goals you want to achieve this year, and maybe have different sectors to it. Like, for example, if what you want to achieve. Uh, like financially, what do you want to achieve as hobbies, what do you want to achieve in work, what do you want to achieve in generally, like whatever are your goals and aspirations. um so you need to like have a clearer vision that what do you want to um achieve this year. And that's the first step. Write it down, take a pen and paper, write it down, and then prioritize it. And you need to even see that um, what is possible in a year. Maybe like quarterly think that how you will achieve those goals, because it's sometimes we set goals for the year, and then what happens is that in the first half you just think that okay, you still have time, and then you're not able to achieve those goals. So you need to make realistic goals. So this is just up to you, like whatever because if you have come to this video, you know that you want to make a vision board. You are like, you have some clarity that what do you want to do. So let's just write down everything you want to do this year. And just think that it's like the end of the year, and you have achieved these things, and you are feeling the you're feeling that you're getting that proud feeling that okay, you did this, right? So first of all it's that you just get it in pen and paper, maybe in your notes app as well. Anything works, whatever is comfortable. And like that's it. Now comes the fun part. What you're seeing right now is like finding pictures which resonates with your goals, right? So anything. For example, you want to get that iPad right this year, so it's the iPad. If you wanna like get go on this trip right to the mountain, so it will be that. If there is a certain setup that you want to create this year, then it's that. Like just Google in Pinterest, and you'll get a lot of lot of pictures, and whichever like makes you feel, oh god, this is it, this is what I want to do. Just like save that picture. You can like save it, download it anyway. And that's about it. So that you get those pictures which make you feel that when you see it, you feel like okay, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to achieve, this is my go-to thing. And this if I see this, I'll feel motivated enough. That's how you go about like searching maybe quotes as well, which makes you feel that okay, I can this year. So like quotes that make you feel motivated. Now just put them into a PDF, and then you're just sorted. I've just put it in like maybe 7-8 pages. And then comes the fun part, to actually print it out. You just print it out, then you have to print out. And then what you can do is then get a canvas board, and like whatever size which you think makes sense for you. There is no certain rule to make basically a vision board, it's more up to you and it's more customizable according to you. Basically whatever makes you going. So here if you see, they've got printouts for what I want to do this year, and yeah, I've got a canvas board as well. So we're gonna cut those pictures, and then the fun part begins of, you know, how do you wanna put it all together, like what do you think is the most important for you. Maybe that can be in the center, maybe that can be on the tops, so that you feel okay, like that's like a primary thing, and maybe the secondary things can go a bit in the down. But yeah, so here if you see, the first picture is basically me killing in work. The second picture is that I want to make money this year. Then the third is something that I want to get into these big companies. The third one is basically I want to be unique. I don't want to be just part of the crowd. Now it's that I want to become like a podcaster. So this year I really want to get going with that. Yeah, then I want to learn swimming. Plus I want a good setup for myself. I want to write more. I want to take that Thailand trip finally. I want to go to the mountains as well. Plus I want to start therapy. I want to do a lot of vacations as well. I want to revamp my portfolio. That's like every designer's calling. So yeah, I want to do that. So it's simple, like recording stuff and just get those pictures, that just get a Fevi stick and just start on like how you can see or how I'm doing it. And yeah, that's it. It's that simple, right? You just write down your goals. You have your goals in place. You just go to Pinterest and get the best pictures what you feel resonates with, which you see and you feel like, yeah, this is what I want. And then just cut those pictures, and then this is the fun part where you just, and it's not about being aesthetic or anything. You can just feel, it's for me, I have just like cut down the pictures in just squares and then put it, and maybe some pictures I've like cut it more shorter according to the picture, like according to the main character there. But yeah, it can be super simple. It can be just square pictures cut out. It doesn't have to be like this collage-ish. It's just that this is how I am. Like basically I'm a designer, so I go with that. But people who are not in that creative space, they can just cut pictures according to the lines and shapes, and which is not that difficult. You just cut those pictures and then place it in the canvas, and that's it. Like I don't think so you have to do much work in this. That will just sort it out. The whole agenda is to basically, in a vision board, is to be like, just put your goals in a something what you can visualize format, which just makes you more connected to the goal. It just reminds you, for example, if you go on with your life, sometimes we just are in that whole space and we just forget that like what goals did we imagine. And if you have it in a visual format, it just makes more sense. And plus you can keep it in your room, and every day or like once in a while also, if you see it, you just get reminded of that, okay, these are the things I want to achieve this year. These are the things which will make me happy at the end of the year, that I've achieved these things. That becomes very important, because as life happens, we just forget, and we are just in that rat race of the whole routine what you're having, and we don't do much about it, that we are making more progress towards a goal. Like, obviously office goes on, work goes on, normal shit happens, like that's a never ending process which goes on. But this just makes you uh, more more in the whole space of yeah, these were the goals what we decided at the start of the year, and yeah, these that's like this is what we want to achieve. That just gives you a feeling of you know that okay, I can do this, okay, I decided on this, why I'm not putting efforts to make this happen. That's the whole thing of a vision board, and it's not that crazy stuff. You can just make it like anyone, I feel, can make it. So this is mine, what I've like created with y'all, and this is my goal for 2025. As you're seeing, a lot of efforts going in this.